Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. So I will explain about the gold. What is the next step here? What we see here is the next step here. So I think this time we can break the level. This one. I will show you how it's working here. There is the gold here, right? So you can see. So this is exactly a trend line. So many times retesting this level here. One, two, three, four, and five. So already break out the level. So at the retesting, this is actually the make double bottom. Did not break that pattern here, and again he make here double bottom and did not break the this one pattern, right? So did you see here? This is exactly what we see here. So this is the trade here. This is our trade. We have our trade executions here. From we see this trade going up continuously, right? So this is our trade setup, and you can see here. So this is live here, guys. It is a great time to have to buy right now, because it's already break this pattern. You have to see, and it is continuously one moment. uh, We can see was one moment from 25 to 6, and we can see the movement of the high new high. He tried to make new high till not break the bigger support level here, and this is the most of things here. And second things, you can see here so many retesting here. This is the resistance level, high resistance level, this one, right? So it is one, two, three, four, five time retesting this one, bigger resistance level. So this time maybe try to break the high level, right? So it is the best time to you have to buy. And one things, when you see this one area, and this is one, I will show you uh, in the 1 day time frame. I will go here and just check it out. This is, I will show you here, this is the gold, right? So I will go with 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame. I will show you these two candles, guys. This is amazing. If you see these two candles, it will be go highest higher in a range. So this two candle is telling us to market will go to reach the next high level here in 1 day time frame. Day time frame is a two candle. It was a crazy candles, guys. So we can see the market in next high level. So this is two candles. So wick, it's a greatest wick here, and you have to see the next moment in this market can go higher reach, right? So this is actually, if I made here and set up in 1 hour time frame, 1 day time frame, this is exactly great candles here. So you can see that the base is equal both of candle. I will zoom out a little bit, then you can see these two candles, exactly what you try to see here. This is exact two candles here, right? So this is the base is equal of both of candle, and see one is the red candle, one is try to make green candle. And then I hope it is to wait to continuously break this one area. When they break this one area here, it's 225 6 again, we can see the next high level, guys. This is the next high level here. This is the zone here. Of course, it's possible to fake breakout one more time, and like this, and then can push the market upside. So this is the two candles here. It's the bigger to say the market is going to be next new high to make for us. So this is a gold here, and you have to follow these two candles here. This is a crazy candle here. You can see this is over there. This is very nice pattern to we can see continuously here, and then we can wait for 25 30 30 and 40 45. So thank you so much, guys. If you like our videos, you can subscribe our channel, and we can make you next video for you. Thank you so much, and see you in next video.